my rod bit. Oh my god. Check that out. Oh, what is it? It's a nice size one. This is cheating, man. I don't need no snowmobile. I got my electric scooter. We're going 13 miles per hour with the sled. Auger and everything. Alright guys. This is where we're gonna set up right here. We're gonna drill out a hole right here. You don't want to come back and smack your face. I had that happen to me before, but we're gonna leave that right there like that, and we'll run back to it. Hold on. Alright, let's stay here. Sit down like this. He got it. Oh, took it right out of his mouth. Let me turn the camera for this one. The camera's not on, guys. He got it in his mouth right there. Yeah, fish on. Oh, first Arctic char. So this is the species that we're looking for, but not quite the size. Oh man, he took that whole entire beaver tail. So these are the one we're looking for, guys, but not the right size. So yeah, check that out, Willow. Back in there. That was the first Arctic char of the day. Came and smacked that one. Got him. That's a nice size rainbow right there, guys. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah, that's a nice size right there. Oh my god. Thanks. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's a 15-inch right there. That's exactly what we want right there. The bigger ones. Got him. About a 10-incher. That was a pretty big bait too. Took it. Put a fat bait on there so we get a big fat fish. Man, what's over here? Well, I'm gonna leave you 18 miles per hour so you can catch up. Come on, Willow. Oh, yeah, she's right behind you, guys. Pretty cool, guys. Let's do a break here. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're gonna make her run out of energy today for sure. Let's go back. Go, girl. Oh, oh. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Right next to me, that right. Our rod's going off. We got a fish on, guys. I think he's still on there. Fish on. Small one.
Yeah, I saw you at the ice fishing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How long you been out here? You just got here?
I came out about 7:30.
7:30?
When we set up, yeah.
Oh, okay. How'd you do?
I did okay. Like a lot of small ones. It's a little bit less. You go. So Saturday we were here actually before that. Before
Oh,
we went to
okay.
the little
Yeah.
Campbell Lake.
Yeah.
And that it was hot that day. I
Yeah.
caught like some nice, like a fat char.
Uh-huh.
It was only like 15 inches, but it was thick.
Oh,
And,
damn. Like around, what area were you
It
at?
was over there.
Oh, dang.
But it was mostly rainbows.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
were catching. It was just that one. And
Okay.
then, today it was slow.
Oh, got him. Fish on. Oh, that's a nice rainbow. Look at that. Woohoo. Nice. Hit it off camera a little bit. Oh, yes. That's a nice rainbow there, guys. Check that out. Here you go, Willow. That's a nice, beautiful fish right there, guys. Wow, look at that. And let's release it. Oh my God, stay still. Let's release this back in the water. There you go. Nice. He hit it off the camera a little bit, but that was off the jig right there, guys. Crocodile jig right there, one of my favorite. Ah, I keep getting tangled up like that. Hey, let's drop down something different. Let's see, what can we drop down? Oh, fish on! Oh, that's a nice one, guys. Oh, what is it? It's a nice one. A lot of head shake. Oh man, what is this, guys? Oh, what? How is that possible? I foul hooked him in the back with the fin. How's that possible when he came and hit my bait? I had a bait on. I wasn't even jigging it or anything. Nice size. Look at that. Wow. At least that baby in there. What the heck, guys? We're smacking some big one over here. Oh my God, my rod. My rod almost went in the water. Something probably came and ate it. Let's put on this beaver tail here. Perfect. Oh my God, my rod is bent. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh my God. Dude. Holy crap. It got on the jaw jacket, guys. Oh my God. Check that out. I'm probably gonna keep that one. Yeah, let's keep that one, guys. Wow, my girls are gonna be so happy to see this one. Oh my God, that's a big fish. That was so cool, guys. Damn, my rod was bent in the water. That's how I knew it was a big one, guys. And I don't know if I heard right or not, but my reel was dragging. The drag was peeling. Damn. Yeah, that was pretty cool. That was epic, guys. We're gonna try here a little longer, and if we're not getting anything here, we're gonna move down a little bit more. But man, that paid off putting a jaw jacker over there. Like I said, we're literally in like 3 feet of water over there. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this right here and I'm gonna go scout out where I'm gonna go next. Let's take the scooter and go scout. Hopefully I don't lose my rod. I'll be right back. Oh, let's get out of here. Okay, let's try down the crocodile jig and see if we could jig one in. There it is right there. Oh, we got him. That was crazy. Got another one right there on the screen. Stay still, buddy. Stay still. Got another buddy down there. Thank you. That's so cool to see them hit the jig, guys. How they react to it. They've got a fish on there. Oh yeah, we do. A small one. A baby one. Oh, damn. Alright guys, we're gonna pack it up and we're gonna go back to the first hole. That seemed like that's where all the fish are at, so pack it up and go down. It seemed like this was a good spot, so this is what we're gonna try in here. Leave it here. Alright, we're gonna leave it right there. And we're gonna go back over here and fish. Oh, hopefully we can find him again. What's crazy is that we didn't adjust the length of the cable yet. Everywhere we went, it's been all the same depth. So we got a fish right there. Fish on. What the heck? That has to be the smallest one of the day right there. Just barely dropped it down. Look at this baby trout. Ah, oh, baby trout. Oh, we got one coming in right there. He looked like he wanted it. Oh, yep. Fish on. Oh, nice. Baby right there. Nice trout, but not the size we're looking for. You know. Do want to stay a little longer. We'll see if we come back tomorrow. See if we can find the school, guys. But that's gonna be it, man. Got one nice 18-inch bow, really fatty. It's pretty epic. Got on a jaw jacker. Haven't caught a big fish on a jaw jacker. That's probably the biggest fish on a jaw jacker right there. So that's a plus right there for me. And I get to take it home, eat it, show it to my kids. So yeah, that's the plus right there, guys. I had a lot of fun today trying to find a school, fishing this whole entire side over here. I have not really fished this side over here, so this is kind of like a first time for me over here. But yeah, there's a lot of fish over here. I don't know why I never actually really tried this side of the lake. Alright guys, all packed up. Willow, are you ready to go home? Yeah, Willow's tired. Alright guys, let's go home. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's adventure. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys stay all the way to the end, I appreciate you guys so much. Now the season's coming to an end. We got a couple more trips in us, so make sure to like and subscribe to stay along with the adventure. Like I said, we got a couple more trips in us, and then we're gonna hang out the ice fishing gear, and we're gonna get ready for summer fishing, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.